So it's almost been a week since I made the video review on this car, where shortly after that airbag light came off. After I finished, I reached out to a friend. She bought this car a few weeks after I did, so I told her to keep an eye out for that issue. Surprisingly, she sent me a website with a recall on this car. She doesn't even care about cars, so it's kind of funny. She's not a car person, so thank you so much. It turns out that there is a known issue with certain years of these cars, with mine included, the 2018. With the ODS system, only applies to cars with heated seats like mine. Apparently there's some wiring in there, something with the pad. I don't know what it is. I don't want to give you the wrong information. So it comes and goes. It does seem like it's some sort of issue with wiring. There's no one sitting in here right now. Let me walk to the other side and try to sit in it and see if that light turns off. Okay, so I just sat my fat ass in the seat. Oh, there you go. That light just came on. Interesting. So once I sat in the seat, it threw the light, the red airbag light there. I said this is a known issue. So based on the websites, there is a recall number, and the NHTSA website with all this recalls, I punched in the VIN for this car, and of course this car doesn't show up as having any open recalls. I called Subaru of America, the 1-800 Subaru 3 number. They said that, well, since my car isn't on that list, they told me to take it to the dealer.
So I looked through your vehicle information here. There is no recall for airbags, and then it also has an extensions tab, and there is also nothing for airbags there. So I'm not too positive what that light is about. So, I mean, the only way you can really resolve this one is bring it to the retailer and have them diagnose and, repair that for you. So I do know you said the retailer mentioned to call us. Was that right?
If you watch my previous video, that dealer told me to call Subaru. So here's where the back and forth is starting to go. The Subaru of America, he said he'll give me $100 diag fee. I think they usually charge $100 or whatever the rate is to hook up the scan, whatever. In my case, I have a pretty good idea what's going on already, but kind of conflicted right now as if I should actually take the car in, if they're just gonna waste my time. I also should note that I went on the NHTSA website and filed a complaint or a report stating that this car does have the same issue that other people experience with the ODS system, but for some reason the VIN isn't included, so I did submit that. I don't know if anything will come out of that, to be honest, so if I hear anything, I'll let you guys know. The reason I'm reluctant to spend any money is because if it is indeed a recall, well, recalls are supposed to be covered under whatever you call that, it's a safety issue, and the dealer, Subaru, is supposed to take care of that free of charge. I don't want to go around spending all this money, especially if this entire seat needs to be replaced, or sensors, electrical wiring. That could get expensive really quick. The rep from Subaru of America stated that if I do get a big bill from the dealer, to call him back and see if there's some room for negotiation or if there's anything they could do for me. Going back to the website, I'm not surprised that there's so many lawsuits on this. In America, I used to think that everyone was just going crazy, suing everyone over nothing, but sometimes it kind of makes sense in a situation like this. I mean, let's walk through it really quick. 2018, check. Same year car. Do I have heated seats? Check. I have the symptoms of a faulty airbag system? Check. ODS system problems? You just saw it. I'm sitting on it. It doesn't detect that I'm in it. It threw a light. I mean, I don't know what else they could say about that. I was really trying to add this car to the list of recalls through VIN. That's what the dealer was telling me to do, but it seems like Subaru of America was kind of reluctant. They wanted proof that it indeed was an airbag issue or a recall issue. So, I mean, I understand where they're coming from on both sides, but as a consumer, that's just a lot of wasted time. That's the update for this week. Stay tuned, and when I get more information, I'll let you know. If you've dealt with this issue, have some tips or advice for other people, including myself, leave it down in the comments below. Thank you.